it's just a test.
Alright,
Alright.
we can go now, right? Oh, okay. Alright, what's the first song called? Oh, it's called Aaron Love. Like, it's one of my favorite songs, and I just practiced it earlier for the first time, so my bad, guys. This mic's like pretty close to my face. So how's it going today? Did I ask this video? Oh, my bad.
Sorry that it took so long to write this song, but I gave up. You see, 1,000,000 words can't describe how it feels to know your love. That I am closer than you think when we run past. Nothing that I've tried is as simple as these lines, but without you, my life is incomplete. My days are absolutely great, and so I'll try. Let your heart know for sure that I have so much more to tell you every single day. Alright, guys.
How's everybody doing? I'm doing good. I like expressing myself. I'll start over the next time, my bad. Know this world is big enough for you and I, but I'll give you more. I'm coming home today to wipe the tears right from your eyes. I'm
So I'll try. Let your heart know for sure that I have so much more to tell you every single day. My life is incomplete, my rights are absolutely gone. So wake me up before you leave today. Something I have to say, 'cause there'll be nothing when you're gone.
Alright, you guys doing good? Alright, see you guys later.